Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got another Stitch Fix box to share with you. So my last box was really awesome. It ended up being a 5 for 5. I'll pop a card up above if you want to check out that video if you missed it, because it was a great box and I got a really cool pair of Toms. But I just wanted to take a second to thank all of you who left me links and sites to where the Toms were at a better price. And you also let me know that Stitch Fix price matched. And I kind of had an idea, but I'd never done it myself. So I thought, you know what, let me just do it. Let me see if they can price match. The worst they could say is no, right? So what I did is I made sure that they were available in my size, because that's one of the criteria that they have to meet in order to price match the item. And so I made sure they had them in my size, and they did. So I sent them an email asking if they would, and about a couple of days later, they reached back out and said, good news, we were able to find that the other site, I think it was Zappos or maybe Nordstrom's, had them in your size, and they price matched them for me. So I was super excited. So thank you all for helping me do some of the legwork and the research. I really appreciate it. You guys are so great at, letting me know, hey, you can find it cheaper here. Helps me save some money and helps me purchase some more clothing, right? So I peeked in this box. I've already tried one thing on. Yeah, it's another promising box. My stylist, Amanda, does a great job. I couldn't ask for a better stylist. She's really awesome. She gets me and she keeps my prices low. The only time she sends me pricier items like those Toms is if she knows that I'll absolutely love them. Yep. So I appreciate that. All right, are you ready to see what's in this box? Because I am. Let's go. I'm going to try things on. Well, I already know what's in this box, but I want you to see. I want to try the rest of it on because I've only tried on one thing. You've probably already seen that if you saw my short story. So I want to try on the rest. Let's get to it. Okay, so this first blouse is the one that I've already tried on. This is by Fortune and Ivy. This is the Chrisan cold shoulder blouse in navy, $42. I love this blouse. Oh, the material, 100% polyester. It is lined, and the lining is also 100% polyester. I think this blouse is so pretty. It's so feminine looking to me, and you could wear it with a lot. Let's talk about it. I love that it kind of has an off-the-shoulder vibe. Well, yeah, it is, but it has that cold shoulder look with the straps. I think it's really, really pretty. I did just pull my bra straps down for this, so I have my regular bra on. You'd probably have to wear, what's the word? A strapless bra. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. You'd have to wear a strapless bra with this. I don't know if I'd have one that's thin enough to hide, behind the straps. I love that it has the ruffles on the top of this blouse. I think the ruffles are so feminine looking. I love the floral print. How pretty is that? It is a 3/4 length sleeve. The sleeves have an elastic detail, but it's not tight to my wrists, which none of them really are, so it doesn't bother me. It's long enough. So Amanda told me to put it on with some white pants or my white jeans, which I think it looks great with the white jeans. I got a pair of green pants recently that I'm keeping that it would look nice with regular denim. So this is going to be very versatile. I think you could probably also wear it. It would look cute with white shorts, I'm thinking. Yeah. What do you think? The sleeves are kind of sheer too. Do you see that? Yeah, I like it. Let me show you the back of it. Yep, this top is staying with me. I like it. All right, let's move on to the next item. Okay, next blouse is by the brand Fun to Fun. This is the Alvena split neck blouse in orange. It's $40 and it's 100% polyester. I've been saying I don't think small floral prints are for me. And I think my stylist, Amanda, is trying to prove me wrong, which is okay. Look at the small floral print, but I think it kind of works. What do you think? Now, maybe it's just that the floral prints that I've tried before that were smaller, the cut of the top didn't work for me. We're figuring this out little by little, right? This is a good work blouse. I like the cut of it. I like the split V neckline. It does have pleating, which I didn't show you when I was closer, but there you go. It has pleating down the front. What do you think? I think it's a cute blouse. It's a good length. It looks good with white pants. I could put a cardigan over it. I could put maybe a denim jacket over it. I don't know, the orange, I don't really own much orange, and I feel like it's not always my color, but I feel like this is an okay shade. What do you think? I have a lot of like the fall, like rust orange, you know what I'm trying to say? Like those rust orange colors. I have a lot of those, but I don't own, and I don't think I'd call this a true orange, right? But it's definitely more orange than like the rust fall tones. So what do you think? I think I like this. My stylist, Amanda, she knows how to do her job really well, doesn't she? I'll show you the back of it. Now, I don't know if it's gonna be too sheer because when I pulled this top out of the box, it was very sheer. And I almost thought I'd have to wear a cami underneath, and then I put it on and I looked in the mirror, and from the front, I don't think I need a cami. I have to watch back to see if from the back I do. I don't think I would purchase it if I needed to wear a cami because it's polyester, and I don't like to wear camis with polyester tops. If the tops are more breathable, then I'm fine with wearing camis underneath, but not really with polyester. So I don't know, but she's trying to prove me wrong. I think she's saying, Kayla, you can pull off those smaller floral prints and I'll show you how. What do you think? All right, let me change into the next top. Okay, so this next top is by 41 Hawthorn. This is the Clearwater mixed material blouse in white. It's $58. Now there's a couple different types of materials. So the front panel of this top is 100% polyester. The back panel and the front panel are both 95% polyester and 5% spandex. This is a very pretty top. I know the white blows the camera out, so I'm sorry, but so pretty. It does have like a wrap style on the top. Let me back so you can see. It's got the wrap style, and then it kind of opens, but there's a panel here that, you know, covers what it needs to cover. You know what I mean? I think it's very pretty. I think the length is good. It does almost feel a little bit big. I may have to size down if I kept this. What do you think? I kind of like it. I like the style of it. The back, I'm gonna pull my hair to show you. It's actually tied in the back on the top, which is really cute. So I'd wear my hair up probably when I wore this top. So you can see, let me just pull my hair to the side in the back so you can see the back. So see that pretty tie detail? Yeah, I like this top. It's a little bit pricey at $58, but I think it might be worth it. What do you think? Should I size down? It's just a little big down here. Feels a little bit loose. What do you think? All right, let me change. No, I'm not gonna change. I have a kimono. Let me grab the kimono and show you the kimono. Hang on one second. Okay, so here's the kimono. This is by Emory Park. It's the Landy Crochet Trim Kimono in mustard, $44, 100% polyester. So I did change the tank. I thought I was just gonna try it over the tank that they sent me, but I wouldn't wear it like that, and I had to get the real sense for what it would be like. Anyway, I love kimonos, and I feel like you're either a kimono girl or you're not, and I love them. I have a ton of them, and I like them for this time of year. I just feel like this one might be too long, but maybe it's just me. I don't own a lot of long ones like this. Mine are long, like long enough, but not like this long, you know what I mean? I do like the colors of it. I think they're very pretty, and I love, I'm gonna come closer, the crochet detail. So it has the crochet detail on both sides and all the way around the lining, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. Can you see that? There we go. And it also has it around both arms. I love the colors of this kimono. I think the colors are gorgeous. I actually even think this is a yellow that I can pull off. Sometimes yellows are tricky for me because of my skin tone. I've said it before, and I'll say it again, they are. But I think I like this one. I just kind of wish it was a little bit shorter. Let me know what you think of it. Does it look too like roby? But I know those of you that don't like kimonos might think that anyway. I don't know, but tell me the truth. I know you guys will tell me the truth, so I don't know. I kind of like this one. I think I'm gonna wait to get your opinion. This is one that I'm not sure about. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just the length. I do love the colors. I think the colors are gorgeous. I want to show you the pattern up closer. Isn't it gorgeous with the green and the floral print? All right, let me show you the back of it and how it looks. But it's like an easy breezy. I love like pulling kimonos for like a grab and go look. You know what I mean? Not that I'm going anywhere, but maybe soon safely, you know? Let me know what you think. All right, I've got a pair of earrings to show you. I think I'm gonna show you those during the recap because I'm not sure that I'm gonna purchase them, so I don't wanna try them on if I'm not gonna purchase them. So hang on one second. Okay, before we do the recap, let me show you the earrings. These are by Bancroft. I didn't put them in. I'm like 95% sure I'm gonna get them, but because I'm like 5% unsure, I thought, let me wait. But let me show you what they look like. They're very pretty. Oh, one's twisted. Let me twist it back for you, hang on. They're by Bancroft, and they're the, what are they called? The Kimmy drop earrings in silver, $28, so not a bad price. And look at the shine, they have a little bit of shine to them. How fun, they would go with a lot. What do you think? I think they're cute. I might keep these. We'll see. So what'd you think of this box? I thought Amanda did a great job. Didn't she? Oh, you know what? It would help if we had the clothes to do a recap. They're right over there. Let me grab the clothes. I'll be right back and we'll finish the recap. Hang on. All right, I got the clothes so we can do a recap. Let me just tell you, the whole cost of this box is $159 after all the discounts, which is not bad for 5 pieces, right? You all know I'm keeping this off the shoulder or cold shoulder top. I think it's beautiful. Now, I do a lot of vineyard trips with my friends, and I know hopefully this year we'll be able to do at least a couple, just local in the state, but they're still closed. I'm hoping that it's safe enough to go at least a couple times, maybe later this season. This is a great top to wear on those days, but until then, I'll dress up, go sit in my patio, do my own little wine tasting, right? Have some fun, it's safe. So I'm keeping this top, yep. And the white 41 Hawthorn blouse, I'm on the fence about. I wasn't crazy when I watched back about how it looked in the front. It kind of looked pouchy to me. I don't know. I'm gonna try it on with a few other things. If I keep it, I will be sizing down because it did feel a bit baggy. Yeah, I don't know. I love the style of it. I think the style is so pretty and it would look, you could really dress it up with some fun statement earrings, you know, some wedge sandals, some wedge heels. Yeah. The Fun to Fun blouse, I like the color of this. It's different for me. I'm leaning towards keeping this one. Let me know what you think about this, but I really think I'm gonna keep this one. I wanna show you something in a second. Well, let me just grab it, it's right here. Sorry, I should have brought it with me. You're gonna see this in my shopping haul video coming up, but what do you think? So this top has a little bit of blue, can you see? I almost think I could pull off layering this cardigan with it. Have a little fun. Now that I have more time, like in the morning before work, I don't have a lot of time. I'm rushing around, trying to get ready for work. And it's hard to like mix and match pieces, but now that I have more time, like on the weekends, I've been playing around with my closet and I've been doing a lot of mixing and matching. So anyway, I may keep that blouse. The kimono, I'm not sure about. I almost feel like it's too long. Let me know what you think though. I do love my kimonos, I really do. I wanna show you the back has the same crochet detail going across. I love the colors of this. I think the colors are beautiful. I love bringing kimonos. I know I'm not going on vacation, but I love bringing them on vacation for like at nighttime, you know, when it gets a little bit cooler, but you still want to look cute. Yeah. Anyway, and the earrings, I may end up keeping the earrings because I really like them. So let me know what you think. All right, this was another great box. It really was. I loved it. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think I should keep. I'm looking for opinions with this one. The only thing I know for 100% that I'm sure keeping is that off the shoulder top or the cold shoulder top. All right, so I appreciate you sticking with me and I hope you're all doing well. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video.